devices. Today I am going to present our 1D laser scanner PS1156, which is wired 1D laser scanner. It is auto sensing device which we can scan barcodes automatically. There are two types of in it. It is like we can use it without stand and we can use it with stand also. Its body made with ABS plus PC materials which is so durable. We can connect it via USB cable. That's why we can say it is as in plug and play scanner. It is compatible with Android and Windows POS machine and laptop and computers also. We can use it in retail stores, healthcare, shopping, malls, warehouses, logistics, transportation and many more. Now I am going to show you a demo of PS1156 with stand that how it will work.